Afghan Vice President Amrullah Saleh said on Thursday half of his family members and office staff contracted the new coronavirus. In a social media post, Saleh requested the people to take the crisis seriously, follow safety and hygiene measures, and stay home. No one is safe. More than half members of my family and office staff are now suffering from this coronavirus. The country is currently at the worst stage of the outbreak of the virus. Your cooperation will reduce the severity of this crisis, said Saleh, a former intelligence chief of the country. This came as new Health Minister Ahmad Jawad Osmani took charge in the country on Thursday amid surging cases of COVID-19. Promising reforms in the fragile healthcare system of the war-ravaged country, he acknowledged shortcomings. The COVID-19 centers and hospitals should be turned into places where patients can confidently quarantine themselves and further infection of others can be prevented, he said.